Hello friends, bekkonore abar mor ei Learn English channelot fatteroturu. The bundulok iche video lode future indefinite tense foidene. The bundulok video sesa jodi gom lagile iko thumbs up diba ar jodi hamakai abasong mo channel subscribe no gore dioi doya gurine subscribe koriba. Te tomasi du mor ei azara genei video bu shuru kora jok. What is future indefinite tense? The bundulok future indefinite tense hare hoy ba future indefinite tense hi bobicchot hale honoy kan ham obo ba gudi jabo bojele hintu se haman hokke obo honoy kan nirdishto somoy diye nei eshidukke hodanere honne olode future indefinite tense jemon mui sidu jem the thore maribu তুই ইচ্ছে সাত্তি ভেবে এই ইদুককে হোদানেরে হন্নে হলদে ফিউচার ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স থে যে ইদুককে ফিউচার ইনডেফিনিট টেন্সর হোদা হিদিক করিবা নাই নিয়মানি বুঝিলই এফার্মেটিভ সেন্টেন্স সাবজেক্ট প্লাস সেল অবলিক উইল প্লাস ভার্ব পাস্ট ফর্ম প্লাস আদার পার্টস এক্সাম্পল থে হিলিয়েব হি উইল কাম টুমরো হি উইল কাম টুমরো থে হিলিয়েব Ami iyen ikke guribong. We shall do it right now. We shall do it right now. Ami iyen ikke guribong. Ichere dot jorebo. It will rain tonight. It will rain tonight. Ichere dot jorebo. Mui thora ikko holom hinidim. I shall buy you a fan. I shall buy you a fan. Mui thora ikko holom hinidim. Rugibo ek sapta pore muribo. The patient will die after a week. The patient will die after a week. Rugibo ek sapta pore muribo. Hugurbo hamerebo. The dog will bite. The dog will bite. Hugurbo hamerebo. The bundolok ami hogor pei. Sel lola sargora oidiolode first person loge. Will lola sargora oidiolode second person aro third person loge. Hintu jodi hono kan hoda jor dini di hole otoba promise dini di hole mane se haman hamakkai gora obo gurine hole maleyai Second ne sel loa jai will bujibo will loa jai sel bujibo jemon mui hille to loi hamakkai gurinai digaom I will meet you tomorrow I will meet you tomorrow mui hille to loi hamakkai guri digaom thara jeba kesi they shall go thara jeba kesi negative sentence subject plus shall oblique will plus not plus verb first form plus other parts. The bundulok monor ragiyo shall nodor contracted form olode shan't will notor contracted form olode won't. Jemon example mui thore no hom I shan't tell you I shan't tell you mui thore no hom baba more jebate no dibo father won't let me go father won't let me go baba more jebate no dibo thara noga dibak They won't take a bath. They won't take a bath. Tara noga dibak. The thore bichen no jabo. She won't believe you. She won't believe you. The thore bichen no jabo. Interrogative sentence. Shall oblique will plus subject plus verb first form plus other parts. Example. Tui iche bazarat jabe. Will you go to market today? Will you go to market today? Tui iche bazarat jabe. Themo prostav panoi raji hoboni will she agree with my proposal will she agree with my proposal themo prostav panoi raji hoboni te homole abogoi when will she get back when will she get back te homole abogoi thomma hudu jabo where will your mother go where will your mother go thomma hudu jabo negative interrogative sentence shall oblique will plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus other parts. The bundolok jodi ami contracted form jodi larsar kore di oi subject kor age di shan't otoba won't bujibo tui iche school no jabe den nahi will you not go to school today otoba won't you go to school today tui iche school no jabe den nahi meetingot ami azil note bongodi nahi shall we not attend a meeting অথবা shan't we attend a meeting meetingot ami azil notebongoi de nahi the ebojor purike nodibo de nahi will she not appear in the examination this year otoba on she appear in the examination this year the ebojor purike nodibo de nahi thara ei application anot sign nugriba ke nahi will they not sign in the application otoba on they sign in the application thara application anot sign nugriba ke nahi thebundulok bidibo hejan lagilo mone gorong bidibo je gompela parabang hamaka jidi gompele iko thumbs up do bundulok ebosong jidi channel subscribe nogora de oi dui gurine subscribe gro thank you